Let's ring in the new year with a flower crown. You're going to start with a headband and different sizes of zip ties. Apply them one by one all the way around. I used 3 different lengths, and once they are all secure on there, you want to take it outside and hit it with a gold spray paint. Give it a good coat, flip it over when it's dry, and spray the other side. Let that dry completely, and then you're ready to embellish it. This is what I had to choose from. I decided to go with this little strand of paper flowers that I bought in Mexico City. So I cut it to size, and I used some hot glue just to tack it down in place all the way around, because after that you really need to go in with a heavy-handed use of the hot glue, especially because these are floral wire stems and they're a little bit heavy. So take your time, go through at a generous amount, let it cool so that this thing will withstand the New Year's apocalypse, okay? Once it's all cool, you could look between the flowers and fill in with something else. I just happen to have these bright and cheery pom-poms, and I added hot glue and put those in place in between each flower. I fluffed out the flowers for any ones that were smashed, and I used some wood numbers to stick in there. I glued them to the base and to the zip ties, and then it needed some sparkle. So I went with these little acrylic micro stars, and I used white craft glue to apply them to the tips of all of the zip ties. Here's the finished look. It looks so cute. Don't you think this would be fun to wear to a New Year's party? You can adjust it any way you want. If you want a little more subdued version, you could use another type of headband and just glue on some glitter numbers. Okay, what do you think? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and visit craftychica.com for even more ideas. And I do have a full tutorial on my blog of this project.